There are many channels on the YouTube who can show you how to do freelancing. No one can teach you practically, but I will. Hello, this is Tanzil Rahman and I am user experience and illustrator artist. I will guide you the complete step-by-step process of how to do freelancing and how to get started with freelancer.com. Basically, I will cover 5 hows in this video. Number 1, how to create an account. Number 2, how to verify it. Number 3, how to take a part in contest and upload an winning entry. Number 4, how to pitch client to get projects and how to bid. Number 5, how to withdraw money. And I will guarantee you after this video, you can start freelancing from the very first day. So let's get started with this video. Creating an account is a very simple process. All you need to do is to fill the required fields, or you can also sign up with your existing account. Number second step is to verify your account. It is also a very simple process, but you need to follow the guidelines given by freelancer.com. In this step, you need to capture a picture holding these two things like the given code of freelancer and your identity card. Please do not apply filter or edit the picture, otherwise it will be rejected. In the third part of the video, I will cover the complete knowledge of contest, how to take a part in contest, how to design a winning entry, and how to pitch client to see your entry. The fourth part of the video is all about project, how to pitch client to get the particular project or how to bid, and how to get more bid from the membership plan of Freelancer. In the last part of the video, I will cover how to withdraw money from Freelancer to your local bank or any other platform you want to withdraw in. So let me share you my Freelancer course overview. Basically, it's a new course I have just launched on Udemy. So you can see here is the description over here, the Freelancer Masterclass, and it is also specialized in the creative field. Like you can see over here, this course is for the graphic designer, illustrator, photographer, content writer, and web designer, and all the related things which is in the creative field. So you can also see here, I've just added the coupon which is called Go Freelancer, and you can get the 74% off, flat off over here. And what you can learn in this course, I will just mention over here, like you can find high paying client on Freelancer, how to get repeated client, how to withdraw money from Freelancer, how to convince the client to get 5-star review, which is very important on Freelancer, and how to get free bits from rewards, and how to build professional website and ad portfolio, and how to verify your account within 24 hours. And you can see there are different type of things like you can how to take a part in contest and upload a winning entry. I will teach each and everything related to the Freelancer in this course, which is very high in demand. Also, you can find the course outline over here, like here the Freelancer introduction. You can see how to create an account and how to add experience and how to verify it. And I will show you my profile and how I won the $1,000 contest and how Freelancer gave me rewards. And you can see all about the Freelancer contest, which is very important topic on Freelancer, and all about the projects like bidding and how to convince client to get 5-star review, and how client award me the project, and how to find $50,000 project on Freelancer, and all about the tips and tricks or project. Also, I have shown in this course like how to withdraw money, how to add the membership plan on Freelancer, what is the difference between deposit and withdraw money, and related things over here like bonus classes, how to contact the support team, add your service on Freelancer, a complete recap of Freelancer course, etc. You can find in this course, which is very important in this website. So you can also find what is the requirement over here to get the part in this course. There is no such strong requirement, but all you need to do is strong desire to earn as a freelancer and a laptop or PC or internet connection. So yeah, here is the description. You can find the description over here. You can also find which this course is for, and yeah, you can just take a course. Also, I have also mentioned that there is 74% off for the new Udemy My Student, so you can take a will, and already people are coming and taking this course. Thank you so much. If you want to take this course, I will put my link over in the description. You can just add it over here. If the coupon is not working, you just write the coupon by yourself, like Go Freelancer, and it will apply very soon. Thank you.